Uncle, can drive slow a little bit because right, it's very bumpy behind.
Oh, so sorry. Yeah, the road condition here is quite bad.
Uncle, you think Amber is okay?
I hope she's okay.
Are you okay, Amber?
You lah, Uncle.
What you did to her, Uncle?
What have I done?
I mean, just now you drive too fast already.
Oh, drive.
Oh.
Hey CJ, you hungry or not? Okay, we go eat something, okay? I will take you there lah. It's going to be a surprise. I tell you what, I pick you up in about 1 hour. Alright then, I'll see you. Hi Amber, you ready for some noodles? Yeah, it's the one that I told you about that day. Okay then, I'll pick you up in about 45 minutes. Is that alright? Okay then, see you in a bit.
So, Uncle, where are we going to eat?
Oh, we're going to Dengkil to eat the sanghamin.
Oh, the Sanghamin, the one very nice one. That one is my favorite.
Really? You been there before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. How about you, CJ? Have you been?
No, not yet.
You haven't? Then you will like this. You better eat more.
Okay, so the prawn is very big?
I think bigger than your head or the prawn.
I think after you try it, you'll love it.
Okay. I'll try.
Uncle, can drive slow a little bit because right, it's very bumpy behind.
Oh, so sorry. Yeah, the road condition here is quite bad.
Yellow, very bumpy.
Yeah, slow down a bit.
I hope it doesn't affect your appetite, oh?
No, it won't, because food is for life.
Okay, that's some consolation.
Uncle, you think Amber is okay?
I hope she's okay.
Are you okay, Amber?
You lah, Uncle.
What you did to her, Uncle?
What have I done?
I mean, just now you drive too fast already.
Oh, drive.
Oh.
It's time to replace my suspension. Let's look at SHOKZ, the better replacement.
So Uncle, your SHOKZ are here.
Oh, nice! Let's take a look. Wow, so nice. This is the shock absorber. And comes with springs too. These are the front coils. And these are the rear springs. Really complete set, man. SHOKZ 4x4 lift kits, designed and developed by the in-house expert team. For those seeking an upgrade, the choice is clear. The original kit pales in comparison to this marvel. Not only does it offer a better replacement, it comes at an affordable price too. When it comes to performance, it improves ground clearance, enhances stability, and offers an overall smoother ride. The vehicle height has been increased by about 30 mm, so therefore the body clearance has increased accordingly. Besides that, this suspension has also increased the GVM capability, which means gross vehicle mass capability, by about 500 kilograms. And from now on, you can actually fit your metal bumper and your winch and any other accessories if you so wish. The suspension plays a very important role in a vehicle. In my case, this is a pickup truck and it is primarily built to be stable while carrying heavy loads. As a result, it is not so comfortable, since comfort and stability are at two different ends of the spectrum. With SHOKZ, they have managed to smoothen out the bumpiness caused by the minor ripples in the road. These ripples are actually the main cause of discomfort in a vehicle. So, despite being stiffer than standard, SHOKZ has managed to provide a much more comfortable ride and improve stability, despite being an inch or so higher. Now that the vehicle is so much more comfortable, I think I should call Amber and CJ, do the exact same trip and see whether they know the difference or not. Hey, Amber! You free or not this weekend?
Wow, uncle, this time the ride is so much comfortable than last time. What have you done to this car?
Oh, I changed the suspension.
Oh, what you change to?
Oh, there's this brand called SHOKZ, SHOKZ.
Oh, where you buy?
Well, you can buy it online through Lazada. But as you know, these suspension sets are quite bulky and heavy. So what I did was I set my mechanic's address as the delivery destination.
Oh, that's very smart, uncle.
So Amber, how do you feel today, man?
Today is so much better. And finally, I can enjoy the food now.
Well, uncle, just by changing suspension alone, can have so much difference, huh?
Oh, actually, I'm also quite surprised. But it's good, lor. Like the food here.
Yeah, stop talking already. Let's start to eat now.
Okay. It's so easy to get SHOKZ. You can buy it online through Lazada or Shopee and get it shipped directly to your workshop for easy installation. SHOKZ thrive on bringing drivers the best of both worlds, comfort and stability. Thank you for being with us. And till we meet again in the next video, bye-bye.